Hi everyone, this video provides an overview of Firestreamer and demonstrates how you can use it with Microsoft System Center Data Protection Manager. Firestreamer is virtual tape library software. It seamlessly integrates with Microsoft DPM and makes possible long-term and off-site retention of data without physical tape hardware. Firestreamer supports up to 8 virtual tape libraries. Each library can contain hundreds of tape drives and thousands of tapes. Virtual tapes can reside on almost any kind of storage media, including external hard disk drives, network-attached storage appliances, and Blu-ray discs. Let's look at how to install Firestreamer and how to use it for a simple backup with Microsoft Data Protection Manager. You can download Firestreamer for a free 30-day trial from our website. I downloaded it earlier to my Windows Server 2008 R2. My system has Microsoft System Center Data Protection Manager 2010 already set up. To install Firestreamer, run the installer and accept the default settings. The installation won't take long. Firestreamer is installed. Now, open DPM Administrator Console. Open the Management view. Click the Libraries tab and then click Rescan on the right. DPM will check for new tape libraries. The rescan operation is complete, and DPM will now show the Firestreamer Media Changer library with 5 tape drives and 200 storage slots. This is the default configuration of Firestreamer. Let's create a new protection group in DPM. In the Protection view, click Create Protection Group on the right. Select the default values for most of the settings. I'm going to protect the local SQL server, which is used by DPM itself. On this page, I will select tape for both short and long-term protection because I haven't configured the DPM storage pool. Allocate several tape drives for your protection group to allow simultaneous backups to multiple tapes. Note that the data compression option in DPM is enabled because Firestreamer has built-in compression. Click Create Group, and the protection group is created. Before you create your first backup, you should load tapes into the virtual tape library. Firestreamer is a standard snap-in for Microsoft Management Console, and you can open it from your desktop. Select the Media node on the left. Click Action on the top menu, and then click Edit to open the Media Layout Editor. The current media layout is empty. Click Media on the top menu, and then click Create and Add File Media. A file medium is a normal file that corresponds to a single virtual tape cartridge. Create 10 virtual tapes on a local disk in a new folder called Tapes. Hit OK, and the new tapes will appear in the media layout. Click the Load Media button, and Firestreamer will remind you to unlock the library door in DPM Administrator Console. Even though the Firestreamer library has no door to unlock, even a virtual one, this operation is required by Microsoft DPM, apparently for it to stay in sync with the tape library. So go back to the Management view of DPM Administrator Console, select the Firestreamer library, then click Unlock Library Door on the right. The door is unlocked now. Return to Firestreamer, click Yes, and the tapes are loaded into the library. Now let's perform a backup, or in DPM terms, create a recovery point. First, you need to lock the library door. Once it's done, DPM will check the library content and will show new tapes in the library. Now open the protection view. Select the protected items, and then click Create Recovery Point on the right. DPM may display the number of available free tapes as 0 because I haven't marked the new tapes as free. It's not a problem, however, because DPM will automatically format and use new tapes as needed. Let's see what's happening in the Management view. DPM is loading tapes into the tape drives, marking them as free. It will then start writing actual data using several tape drives simultaneously. The backup jobs are now complete. Let's double-check in the monitoring view. Yes, all jobs are successful. One job per SQL database. DPM wrote roughly 950 megabytes to 4 tapes. Let's look at our file media. We have 4 files, 33 megabytes in total. It's pretty good compression, isn't it? Of course, you won't achieve the same level of compression for all types of data. We will now perform a recovery. In DPM Administrator Console, in the Recovery view, follow the standard procedure to recover one of the databases. I will use a folder on a local disk as the destination instead of restoring to the original database. DPM will load the appropriate tape into a tape drive and will restore the database to a file in the destination folder. The operation is complete. In the destination folder, we have 900 megabytes of data recovered. Now let's look at the benefits of using Firestreamer with Microsoft DPM. First, it eliminates the need for expensive physical tape libraries, while providing features that simply cannot be matched by hardware. It reduces operational costs through improved performance and increased automation of backups. It allows you to optimize utilization of your existing storage resources, for example, disk arrays or network-attached storage appliances. Finally, backing up your data to different types of media for off-site storage makes your business more disaster resilient. You can enjoy all these benefits regardless of whether you use Firestreamer alone or side by side with physical tape libraries and online backups. Thank you for watching.